What is going on, guys? Emily here, and today I have a new video for you. So today we are cleaning out my closet again. In the last video it looked very rough and it looks very rough again. So we are going to clean it. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button because it really helps my channel. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and just get right into this video. I am going to have it be a time lapse. There's a cat on top of my fridge right now. But yeah, so let's get into it.